Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. It is beautiful outside right now, but we all know that won't last forever. And you might be looking for a new car, but also have to consider that it's not going to be nice out forever. And I wanted to show you a couple of our options that are well suited to all of the 18 or so seasons that we have here. So I'm standing here with a brand new 25 Sportage and a 24 Sorento as well. These are both all-wheel drive SUVs that in the summertime you can open up the sunroof, let all the nice air in, and stick your canoe up top. And in the winter, you can drive with confidence through any inclement conditions that you wind up facing. Beyond that, every modern Kia model is going to have advanced traction and stability control systems. So even with our Fortes and compact sedans, you're still going to be in good shape, especially with good tires. So if you're looking for a vehicle that's ready for your summer adventures, but doesn't neglect those of the winter, shoot us a call or stop by today.